Hi there, it's Galen. Today I'm going to show you a fun way to add glitter using stamping, VersaMark ink, and hairspray. It's a fun technique that I use sometimes when I want to use glitter without making too much of a mess for the person receiving the card. I'm using Unity Stamp Company's kits called Cheerful Prancing and also All Winter Long. One is a sentiment kit from September 2017, and the other is a kit of the month from October 2018. I'm going to use and stamp with VersaMark ink, an ink pad that's freshly inked up with VersaMark refill, and just to make it extra juicy. I'm also using the Misty stamping tool to do the stamping, and I use Martha Stewart Crafts 3 shades of glitter for an ombre look. Here I'm adding the refill bottle of VersaMark ink. I'm adding touches of that to the ink pad just to make it extra juicy, to help with the glitter so that it adheres to the card a little bit better. So I inked up using the Misty. I stamped the sentiment and 2 deer at the same time. I'm just applying it 2 different times. The great thing about the Misty is that you can place the stamping exactly where you left off with the magnets holding the paper. So I use that. I use some baby wipes to just gently lift off the watermark ink. I use 3 folded sheets of paper, 1 for each color of glitter, and I'm using the stamped VersaMark watermark ink panel. I'm adding the darker shade of glitter to the top and then to the bottom. I use the colors. I'm not sure if they're in stock anymore under these colors, but I use turquoise, lapis lazuli, and feldspar. I think that's how you pronounce them anyway. I am using a second piece of paper, adding a different shade of blue, more of a turquoise color, and I'm letting it blend into the darker color as well. And then I'm adding a 3rd color. This one has a hint of green in it. And I don't mind it blending in with the other colors. It just adds to the blended look of the ombre. Now, of course I don't want to waste any of the pretty glitter. So for each color, I fold the paper and then add it to the bottle, re-add the excess glitter back to the bottles to use later. It's, a little messy. So after I do this process, I just clean off the craft mat. Otherwise, glitter is everywhere. Now to make the glitter stick better, first of all, I remove excess glitter with a fine, dry paintbrush. I don't get it exactly perfect, but I just take off what is easily removable. Then I use unscented hairspray on just the panel that is stamped with the glitter, and I spray it generously over where the glitter is, and I do that over a paper towel. I let that dry, and sometimes I repeat that a 2nd and 3rd time just to help with preventing glitter from going everywhere. So I'm putting a solid dark blue card background, and I trimmed the deer panel to fit, showing some of the trim. I added foam tape for that layer of the stamping layer, and added some adhesive gems. Now, this is not exactly foolproof for the glitter, but it does hold into place a lot better than if you didn't add any hairspray at all. It's just a fun, quick technique. You can use mixed media sprays to finish it, but I don't like the smell of those, so I chose unscented hairspray, and for me it works fine. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and follow my YouTube. Have a good day.